Welcome back to another cooking in my car segment, guys. If I'm turning my head weird at all during this video, I like slept wrong last night and I can barely turn my head this way. It hurts so bad. So if I look like I'm holding my head funky, that'd be why. Tonight we're making venison steaks, which of course I'm excited about. Shout out to Calvin again for the venison. Took it out of the cooler a while ago and have been trying to let it get to room temperature because apparently you're supposed to do that. I'm all new to this, as we know. This might have to be kind of a quick video. We shall see. I only have an hour before the sun sets and we lose all of our light, and I've got a lot to do, so let's go. I just also want to say right now, Calvin is hunting without me, so that's cool. I just know I'm gonna get an angry text for that later. We invited you! I know, but I've got to film. I have things to do. But I still wish I was there. I'm just sad about it, okay? Oh my gosh, do they have a chiropractor in the middle of the mountains? Because I might need to go find one. Same situation as the venison burgers, where your pan has to be super hot and it's supposed to be really smoky. So, I don't know why I need to warn you guys about that, but I'm more talking out loud so that I remember these things. And yeah, okay. My neck hurts. Oh my gosh, my neck hurts. I need to set this down. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I didn't wash anything from the last venison. So everything's still venison-y and nasty, but you know what? More taste, I guess. At least it's the same meat, right? Ow, my neck. Oh, what did I do last night, Blue? Jeez, you didn't wake me up and be like, Mom, it's gonna hurt tomorrow? What the heck, Bubby? My neck hurts and my life sucks because of it. Just kidding. I'm very blessed. My life is great. But still, this really hurts. Oh my gosh. I don't have a steak knife. I only have scissors. I'm gonna have to cut this venison with my scissors. That's okay. Whatever. Roman reckless. Here's what I know I have to do. I know it needs to be a really hot pan. I know that I'm supposed to cook it 3 minutes each side, which I feel like the steak's a little bit thicker, so maybe a hair longer, and then essentially flip it and sear it and season it when the other side's up. So kind of like the burgers, but just longer. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know why I'm like scared. I feel like if you mess up steak, like that's an issue. Burgers are like fine. Steak is like, you don't want to mess up steak. Right, Blue? I'm nervous, you guys. I'm nervous. Stop being scared, Maria. Let's just give this a whirl. Okay. Guess let's get our pan going. Oh, dear 8-pound, 6-ounce, sweet baby infant Jesus. Please let this go well. If you know what movie that's from, comment below. I think it's actually 6 ounce. Dear 6-pound, 8-ounce infant baby Jesus. But seriously, please help us go on. Okay. I was not making fun of praying, okay? I pray, so that was not sacrilegious. It was just a joke. Venison steak. Blue. Shit. Alright, I've already got an issue. I didn't know these steaks were separated, and I went to just pour the juice out, and I I just dropped it. No! I'm gonna save it. I literally do not care. I'm not wasting this. Okay. Shit, what do I do? It's got gravel in it, Maria. Well, I didn't know it was cut. All right, I'm turning this off and I'm going to rinse this in water. BRB. Gosh, this would happen to me. You know what? A little dirt never hurt nobody. That's what my mom always used to tell me. All right, you know what? It's fine. It's fine. No big deal. Quick recovery. Next time, don't care about pouring the juices out. How about, Maria? All right. Well, now I feel like I need to like drench this in the juices because now it's all watered down. Oh my gosh. FML. All right, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Set a timer for 3.5 minutes. I literally can't believe I did that. 2 minutes and then we flip sides. It's just the fact that meat was cut down the middle and it looked like it was one piece. It was covered in all those juices. So when I was like cutting, I was like, I should dump some of these out so it's not all like getting all over my car. Thought I was using good logic and then it just went into the dirt. I was lucky that Blue didn't grab it because he was right there. But holy cow. That was one for the books. Wow, that cooks so fast. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. Now what do I title this video? Dropping my venison steak in the dirt but still eating it? I'm sure it'll still be good, but wow. All right, time to flip. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I caught that midair before it went in the dirt. I cannot make this up. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I cannot believe I just almost dropped it again. What is my life? Look at my hands. Dang. Now my sleeping platform is like covered in grease. Boy, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? I didn't set a timer! Ugh. This would only happen to me. Oh my gosh, and I didn't season it! FML! Oh my gosh. Wow. It's gonna be okay in the end. It's all gonna be all right. Oh. Dropped one raw steak in the dirt, dropped one half-cooked steak almost in the dirt, caught it at the very last second. After it hit my sleeping platform, then hit Rue, then bounced into my hand that was almost on the ground. All right, time to take it off. Let's all pray that I don't drop either of these this time. Okay? Hoping and praying. while the steak is resting, I'm gonna cook the asparagus that I have. I don't care if I drop asparagus, so I'm less stressed now. Rest, babies. Please don't drop in the dirt. Oh my God. How do you know this is a roaming reckless cooking video? Because the steak hit the dirt before it hit the plate. Someone trademark that for me. Roaming reckless. She'll feed you, but it probably was in the dirt before you got it to your plate. Ugh. All right. Here we go again. Asparagus are simple. I just know both my brother and Calvin are gonna troll me for the rest of my life for doing that. Whatever, it's life. The asparagus looks super good. I know it's unorthodox, but I'm gonna give this steak a quick cut, see what it looks like on the inside since it's been resting for about 5-ish minutes. And seeing as I don't have a steak knife, these are the devices we are left to. I'd say that's medium rare-ish, maybe a little bit more on the rare side, but that's fine. You know what, dirt and all, it's pretty good, so I'm not complaining. Oh, this big one is not done. Shoot. This is a catastrophe. That's not done at all. Right? I mean, I don't know, I'm not a steak cooker. That looks raw to me. Alright, I'm gonna throw that one on later. Let me just, I know the little one's done, so let me give that a taste test officially. And eat this asparagus and we'll deal with the big one that's still raw later, okay? This is a catastrophe video, sometimes that happens. Alright, what do you guys think? I hate my life. I hate my life. I'm dropping everything today. Alright, you know what? Let's just taste this before I wreck everything. Asparagus is good. Asparagus? Asparagus is good. I'm proud of it. It's fine. The one littler steak that is done, let me test that. It's amazing. Venison steak is probably like my favorite dinner of all time, and I can't believe I messed this one up so royally, but it's amazing. Yeah, the one steak that is done is 10 out of 10. 12 out of 10 even. Even with the dirt. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this dinner went like this. This is me just contemplating my life right now. At least we can laugh about it. It's my natural reaction to everything in life that goes wrong. It's just like, LOL. LOL. That's so funny. Yeah, but I know. Sorry, I disgraced you, Calvin, and your family name. Alright, he's like, next time I want to go try to get hunted meat from him, he's gonna be like, that's gonna be no for me, because all you do is throw in the dirt. Fair enough. We'll get better, you guys. We'll get better as time goes on. Alright, I'm gonna go rethink my life and pick up my pride off the floor. Okay. Bye.